Hello my friends, this is Steven. Okay, nice to see you again. Okay, today I would like to introduce you MDVR Kit. Okay, let's see what the kit consists of. Okay, the kit consists of MDVR, 4 cameras, 4 IP69 waterproof cameras, a press to torque, monitor 7-inch monitor, and 4 cables. Okay, so let's unbox it and see how it collected. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see the cable is the monitor cable is 4-pin collector. Okay, we can collect to the MDVR directly for video and for the power. Okay, so let's make a collection. Okay, these 4 cameras here. Okay, right, and 4-pin collectors. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can see that this is the power cord. Okay, 4-pin, right? And we collect here. This is the okay. This is the power, and to press the and to collect the press the torque, we have a special cable for you. Okay, you can see here the collection. Here is the direction of collections. Okay, here. Okay, you can just collect according to the collections. Okay, here you can see this is collect to the press the torque. Okay. Okay, and here is spring cables. Okay, and then we collect the monitor. Okay, for the monitor. Okay, now if without the press to torque, we can collect to the AV out directly. Okay, and now we collect here. Okay, AV out, you can see AV out. Okay, 4-pin. Okay, right. Okay, next one we collect the cameras to it. Okay, here are 4 cables, right? Okay, and you collect each cable. Each cables like here, right? There are 4 AV in. Okay. Let's see. Okay, the same. Okay, the same. Okay, right? And then we collect these 4 cameras. Okay, 4 cameras IP69 to each cable directly. Right here. Right here. Okay, right here. Okay, and then we you need to collect this GPS and 4G to these 2 ports. Okay, right? Just according to the introduction. Just according to the instruction. Okay, sorry. And this is the sensor and the serial port, and you can collect to here. Okay, you can see. Just according to the instructions. Okay, this is the collection of the cables. Okay, you can see the whole set is composed of MDVR, press torque, monitor, extension cables, and 4 cameras. Okay, now let's have power and see. Okay. Okay, now you can see these 4 cameras. Okay.